Welcome to No Nonsense Airbnb. In this video, I will show you how you can add taxes to your Airbnb listing. Try and do this from your computer because Airbnb phone app is not suited for things like this. Once you're logged into Airbnb, just go over to the top right section. You will see switch to hosting. Click on that. That will take you to your hosting dashboard. And then click on listings in the top menu. And then you need to click on your listing image once again. That will land you in your listing editor. Now to add taxes, you need to click on this settings icon here next to the arrival guide. And in this menu, the fourth option is the taxes. Click on that. And that will open up the taxes menu for you. There are certain taxes which Airbnb automatically applies. For example, this 13% HST has been added by Airbnb automatically. But if you want to add any custom tax, you need to click on this add a tax option at the bottom and then choose the tax type that applies to you. If you're meant to collect a tourist tax or a sale tax or whichever is applicable for you. You will need to fill in the rest of the details here as well. And once you're all done, click on save. Remember, any change you apply now will be applicable to all future bookings, but you cannot retrospectively ask for a tax from the people who have already booked your listing. If you need to collect tax from the existing bookings, you will need to politely ask them if they are happy to pay. Also, I would like to mention, if you are creating the listing for the first time and you don't see these options, don't worry. This is how Airbnb works. Just publish your listing once, and after that, if you go into your Airbnb screens, you will see the menu options exactly the same as I have open here. Airbnb deliberately keeps the listing process simple when you're creating a listing for the first time, but after that, once you publish it, you will see a lot more settings like this in your listing. I hope you find this video useful. Please do like and subscribe to my channel and leave me a comment if you would like me to make a video about something which is troubling you. Have a fabulous day wherever you are. Until next time, bye-bye.